Hi everyone! I am making just a quick video to show you how to save picture files. So you will notice in Word Module 4 that we are going to be creating like a newsletter and inserting like a ton of pictures and editing those pictures. And all of those picture files, typically they're PNG files is the file extension. You can see that here. You may also see them as a GIF file. But regardless, those are picture files, and sometimes I feel that students have trouble saving those from Canvas. So I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to save picture files. So I'm in our Canvas course, and I've scrolled down to Word Module 4, and the files that we're going to use for Word Module 4 are actually underneath of the 4-2 document. The 4-2 document is the file I'm going to use in my tutorial video for Module 4. And then all of the files under it are the picture files that we're going to use for the assignment. So you'll need to download and save Island, Retirement, Schedule, Volunteer, and that's it. So there's 2 picture files and then 2 supporting documents that you'll need to download. So I know you know how to download the documents, but the picture files, I want to go ahead and save. So I'm going to go ahead and do Retirement. I already saved Island. So I'm going to do Retirement. I'm going to click on it. And you're going to see it's a picture of a little flyer that says Happy Retirement. I'm going to click where it says download the support file, and it's going to shoot it down to the bottom left corner of my screen. And I just click to open it and make it full screen. It's going to open it like this. And I am using I'm using Google Chrome as my browser, and that is the one I recommend you use to access Canvas and SAM and all of this online stuff that we do for our course. All right, so once you have it open, I want you to click in the top right-hand corner where you see the 3 dots and select Save As. From here, it'll open up your drives and you can select where you want to save the picture. So I'm going to go ahead and save it to the desktop. But again, if you are using OneDrive, you can select OneDrive from the left-hand sidebar. If you're using a flash drive, make sure that that's plugged in and you can select your flash drive from here. So it just kind of depends on where you're going to save it. I'm just going to save it on the desktop for this tutorial, and I'm just going to hit save. Now it's going to save it, and you can X out of the picture file, and then you're ready to use it now when we do the tutorial project for Module 4. So it just is very important that you save all of the support files before you start the module. All right, I'll see you soon.